As one of the nation's largest providers of sterile, generic injectable medicines, Hikma is proud of our important role in delivering needed medicines to customers, doctors, and patients. Now, Hikma expands our impact even further with an extension of our product offering to hospitals. Prefilled syringes. Prefilled syringes play an important role in the healthcare system, enabling providers to administer injectable medications to patients in a safer and more efficient way directly at the point of care. By streamlining the medication management process from the pharmacy directly to the patient's bedside, prefilled syringes offer ease of drug administration for providers and patients, while also eliminating steps where medication errors can occur. Hikma's prefilled syringe products offer a number of advantages over some prefilled syringe products on the market. Our syringes come in a rigid, symmetrical tube with a tamper evidence sticker. The streamlined tube facilitates ease of storage within automatic dispensing machine drawers. These tubes are clear and allow for both inspection of the syringe and barcode scanning through the tube prior to breaking the tamper evidence seal. Like all prefilled syringe products, Hikma's are clearly labeled with critical information, including the drug name, total dose, concentration, lot number, and expiration date. Our products are barcoded for safety and have a luer lock adapter for use in IV administration, or to connect a needle for IM or SC drug administration. We are pleased to provide this product offering to our customers. For more information on our growing prefilled syringe portfolio, please visit www.hikma.com/products or contact your Hikma sales representative.